What's up, guys? I hope you guys are doing well today. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video of the muffler mod on the 572. I did end up ordering the deflector for it, and it's supposed to be here hopefully by the end of this week. So once that comes in, we'll make that video. But in this video, we're going to be assembling and reviewing the Harbor Freight 100-pound capacity welding cart. For those of you that don't know, if any of you know, I'm a welder for a living, or I work at a welding shop. So I have a couple of welding things around my house, but for the most part I just do it at work. However, if there's anything that needs welded around here, of course I do it. But I have a little Tig Welder. It's the AHP Alpha Tig 225XI. I like it for the most part. Part of me wishes I would have gone with a little bit better one, but regardless, for the most part it works for what I need it to. But ever since I've owned it, I've only just kept it on the floor, and the leads have just been a mess. And every time I need to use it, I have to move it to the outlet and just move all the leads, and I don't have a good place to set the bottle. The bottle's on my truck right now because I have to go get it filled, but I need to clean this up. So I finally broke down and spent the big $44 on the welding cart. I've seen them before. They seem to be pretty decent. I think it'll work fine for what I'm using it for, but yeah, so hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so got the box just opened here. Packaging wise, I'd say they could have done a little bit better job of at least trying to not beat the hell out of the box, but I don't really think it matters. It's a $45 welding cart. What can you really expect? But yeah, I guess we'll just get to putting it together. By the way, sorry that this little shop here isn't very organized. It's just a total mess right now. Just because I don't do a ton of stuff in here. It's super small, like super small. I mean, if you look around, like here's the door, okay? And then it's literally just this tiny little area. I know it looks like a gigantic mess, but I do have a little wood stove in here. This is kind of just the little zone that I use to warm up when it's real cold outside. But you guys don't care about that. Let's get back to it. Alrighty, so I just got the cart all put together and I got the welder put on it. I hope the time lapse was halfway decent for you guys. But yeah, here it is. I mean, it fits the little AHP pretty well. The only thing that I don't like about it is I wish it had a little bit. Hang on. There's problem number one. If you look down here, this caster right here, it hits the bolts that hold it, so it won't let it spin all the way sometimes. You have to like get it spun a certain direction. But other than that, it's pretty decent. I wish it had more hooks on the side of it, because at least for a Tig welder, you got a whole bunch of leads and cables, and it looks kind of messy with it all just on one. But overall, it's not too bad. I mean, it's definitely better than having the welder on the floor. I'm curious to see how well it's going to handle having a water cooler and the welder and the bottle on it. That's a decent bit more weight for the little thing here, but I think it'll handle it okay, because I do have a water cooler, or I'm sorry, I do have a water-cooled torch for this to replace this crappy one. It's not rated for very much, but I do have a water-cooled torch for it. I just need to get a water cooler, either make one, or build one, or buy one. I haven't decided what I want to do yet, but yeah, so just a short little sweet video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and if not, have a good one. See ya.